Jingshlei harilum Garo na kadaw Jingjur jong slap hakini kisngi kalawan ra Iap Lai Ngut kimin simbrio bar Jingjulor haki babon ki jaka habekre begla pathai khupor hadi blawai ka kinhun mentri rang ba ukonut ki sangma ulong ba Jingshlei harilum Garo kalakta bha bar ki district ki bla shakta kilong ka South West Garo Hills district ka West Garo Hills bar ka South Garo Hills district ulong ba ka Sorkar klabathai ki board district ban ai ki lachiyada ban ai ka Jingiarap shaki tu kilong yeng ki ba shakta.
The flood situation is quite serious, and the water levels are rising. The rain also is continuing there. Our administration, in fact, has been put on full alert, and the deputy commissioners, especially in Southwest Garo Hills and West Garo Hills, they are continuously moving. Even in South Garo Hills, they're continuously moving. I just spoke to two of the deputy commissioners about 2 to 3 hours back, and they are right now in the field. As you know that there were 3 lives that were lost due to landslides, and the respective deputy commissioners have been instructed to release the ex gratia amount immediately, and at the same time to go and visit the different houses and different areas that have been affected. So we are, as a government and as an administration, we are keeping a watch on it closely, but of course these are natural calamities, and it's not something we can do to stop it, but we have to ensure that minimum inconvenience is caused to the people, and whatever support that is required, full support will be given by the government and by the administration.